Hey bro, I know when you first starting out getting waves, man, you be wondering how to wash your waves so you don't lose progress and whoop whoop whoop, you feel me? Don't worry, man. In this video right here, I'm gonna show you exactly how to wash your waves for beginners, man. Let's get into it.
They wanna ride my way, now they blow what I got say. They wanna see me grow, they hate on low, they hate on low, they hate on low, yeah. I just wanna win, can I do that, yeah. I don't want you girl, cause you boo bad, yeah.
What's good, notification gang? It's your boy, SwaggDrizzle, man. And I'm back with another banger, man. Come on, man. Stop playing with me, man. Look, it's your boy, SwaggDrizzle, man. In this video, man, I'm gonna show you how to wash your waves for beginners. All real, if you're not a part of the Drizzle gang, I don't know what you're doing. If you're new to the channel, be sure to hit the subscribe button and click the bell so you don't miss another banger, man, from your boy. You feel me? I'm always reading my comments, so leave your boy something good down below, man. Hey, no further ado, man, we're gonna get into this video, man. Let's get it, gang! Alright, YouTube, man, let's get it poppin', man. First thing first, you're gonna need some shampoo. It don't have to be this. Then you're gonna need a do-rag, preferably a thin do-rag. But you know how I like to do. I like to double compress, so I'm gonna need a stocking cap too. But you don't need now. Next, you're gonna need a brush. You know you're gonna need a brush. This that Brush King shower brush. It's made for washing styles. And then next, you're gonna need a mirror. You feel me? You definitely gonna need a mirror. Alright, YouTube, man, we finna pipe up real quick, man. Look, first and foremost, we about to go for that swim, like, yeah. Can't breathe, you feel me? Grab a little shampoo, put a little in your hand like that, though, you feel? Rub it in, and we gonna apply it with the grain, you feel me? We do not wanna go against that grain, cause they're gonna mess that mug up. Alright, since everything going kosher, we're gonna grab a brush and get brushing. We all know that fur wash don't be hitting on that, so we're gonna grab some more soap. You feel me? Before we rinse it out, we're gonna make it a little more soapy. We're gonna try to finesse the system. As a beginner, we doing everything with the grain at all times. We're gonna rinse it out. Yes, sir. I change shampoo because I like this shampoo. I like the way it lay my hair down during this styling portion. Okay, now that we on this last portion, we want to make sure we get a nice lay on this last section. You feel me? We want our hair to be real laid. Okay, so now what I'm about to do now is pretty much rub my hand on my head until I feel like it's laid. And once you get it laid like you wanna, you know what time it is, man. We're gonna rag up. I usually like to wet my wave cap before I put it on my head for some reason. I feel like it do a little better. Now we're gonna throw that do-rag on top of that. Straight like that. Now that you ragged up, you wanna rinse with cold water. And dry your hair out, pat dry, you feel me? Don't do nothing strange. Pat it dry.